Okay, I have a couple of pennies left from this roll, and I didn't find any valuable pennies on this roll. 2000, looking for white AM this year, and this one is regular close AM one. 69 on 69 on 1969. I'm looking always for double die error, but this one is regular, it doesn't have any errors. 1995, nothing, and the last one is 2000 and nothing. But even I didn't find anything yet. I'm always saying that you should keep watching. I would keep searching, and yes, you never know.